Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Northern Quarter. How about that lovely set from Seth and Anna? Wasn't that just beautiful?
She had a fabulous hat with a cat. Wow.
Oh,
I
yeah.
like it a lot.
We hope you're all enjoying the heat wave slash delete as appropriate later in post-production, the deluge of rain, the storm we've had. Yeah.
If you've never seen us before, we are Birds and Beasts, and we're called that for a reason. All of our songs are about animals. I'm Anna. This is Leo. I nearly said I'm Leo. This is Anna. Wouldn't be the first time that happened. And very much hope you're going to enjoy our songs that we're going to play for you today. The first one is called Wolfpack.
Yeah, we're going to take you on a bit of a trip around the world, and we're starting off in Yellowstone National Park for a story inspired by some wolves. And it goes like this. The wind blows hard through this valley. I was born and raised right here. But there's nothing left, no reason to stay. I'll follow the wind and I'll disappear.
I look to the horizon. I see the weather closing in. I keep my family close. We're a tight-knit clan. No one can join our kin.
Brought me to you, an instinct to begin again. Come run away with me, come and be my only friend.
We made a brave, swift escape.
Now we're looking to run you home. You and I must rely on each other now. We're all alone.
I made a pact, I keep my promise, I'll stay right by your side.
Let's raise a family here, my dear, so the notice follow behind.
We can make it, you and I.
Know we have what it
Takes
to cast a circle far and wide. It's plain we have to stay. We can make it, you and I. I know we have what it takes to cast our circle far and wide. It's plain we have to stay. Have to stay. Have to stay. Instinct is calling to me. I caught a taste on the breeze. Walk the path. Time's getting tougher. I've never seen, but I know I need to find another. By the light of the desert moon, search all night. We are so few, still I hunt. Much ground to cover, I've never seen, but I know I need to find another. Deep down I know it, hear the call, my only chance. Don't hurt away, I have no idea. Never done this before, it's an urge I can't ignore anymore. Dream all day, but my dreams are blurred. Can't explain, can't find the word. Still I search, still I suffer. I've never seen, but I know I need to find another. Deep down I know it, hear the call, my only chance. Don't hurt away, I have no idea. Never done this before, it's an urge I can't ignore anymore. Instinct is a need to succeed. Firm belief, relief can be achieved. Still I wander, much ground to cover. I've never seen, but I know I need to find another. Deep down I know it, hear the call, my only chance. Don't hurt away, I have no idea. Never done this before, it's an urge I can't ignore anymore. Still the search continues, hoping for some good news. Night after night after night. Still
Thank you so very much. I can see you're up in your seats and dancing. We like that. Or at least we assume that, because it's not exactly live, is it? So, yeah, the second song was about a little...
Shush, don't spoil the illusion.
Oh my
Of course
God.
it's live.
Well, it's so good to be... It's so good, it's almost real. So this last song was about a scorpion trying to find a friend, stroke mate, in the desert. So hopefully you're all warmed up and ready to rock and roll. What's the next song, Leo?
The next
Tell us.
song, we're going to do a little bit of a musical introduction to this one.
Oh, yes. Oh, I like that one a lot. It's called Dance Master.
It's about a bird, and the bird makes this sound. And also this sound.
And because they're not very appealing, he actually has to dance with another bird to charm the lady. So yeah, this song is for all the wingmen and wingwomen.
Here we go. And we're taking a trip to Costa Rica to meet the lance-tailed mannequin, one of the natural world's most fabulous dancers. But they can't do it alone. They have to team up with a wingman to impress the lady, because she's very, very picky.
Aren't we all?
But when they succeed, the small problem with their plan is only one of them will actually get to mate.
This song goes out to all the wingmen and wingwomen.
I suppose I must wait my turn,
For a moment there's a master to serve.
but I'm rising up to the top. Once I start dancing, I can't stop. We practice hard every day.
I am working for you, I'll be your slave.
One day the time will come, everyone will line up to bang my drum. One day I will be the dance master. I'll go first, you follow after. No longer will I be the wingman, I'll be in charge, the man with the plan. I'm waiting for it to be me.
Someday see me no more a trainee.
I'm the dance master, you know. You can't resist it, let yourself go. One day I will be the dance master. I'll go first, you follow after. No longer will I be the wingman, I'll be in charge, the man with the plan.
One day you will be the dance master. Wherever you lead me, I follow right after.
I must trust your master plan.
You can take charge and be my man. Woo!
There's only so much you can do without your wingman. There's only so much you can do without your wingman. There's only so much you can do without your wingman. There's only so much you can do without your wingman.
so much. Ooh.
And the crowd goes wild.
And the crowd goes very wild. I can see everyone over there jumping around. So yeah, that was the landscape mannequin. And now we're moving from Costa Rica to Africa, I believe. Home of a mighty, mighty big hippo. And in this next song, the hippos have an argument. As it's over, so Leo is playing the role of a very angry, very manly hippo. And I'm just had enough of this. Insert appropriate word here.
The song is entirely about hippos and not at all autobiographical. We'd
Not at all.
like to make that very clear.
So yeah, it's called The Bloat, which is also the collective known for a group of hippos.
And
See?
please do sing along if you know the words. We're watching you. It makes us sad if we don't see people singing along.
Or wiggling about, so you better wiggle.
Are you ready, Anna?
Always.
Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Listen here, that girl is mine. I'm the boss round here, so let me make myself clear. Don't you push me too far, don't you cross the line. You'll live to regret it, don't you ever forget it. I can only give you so much time. I make a man of this pawn, and I'm not too fond of your company.
Listen to me, I don't know who you think you're talking about. You better show me some respect, or I'll kick you out. You think you're the boss round here, but it's me you ought to fear. I'm not your possession, so don't reckon on coming and going as you please. You better stop behaving if you want to keep on baiting here with me.
We all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you.
Wake up, face reality.
It's been a long time, a very long time, since you and I were happy.
I've given you my all, it's just not right anymore. I had enough of all the fooling around and all the other stuff.
If I drive you crazy, I've not changed, I'm just the same. I'm not the one to blame. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Listen to me, I've really had it up to here.
You really haven't got a clue. You have no idea.
I tell you one thing I do know, I will leave and I'll see you no more. I won't be sad to go, but we have run our course, being with you has become a chore.
Go on, you're dismissed. You won't even be missed. I don't love you anymore.
Come on, sing along everyone. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break, we all make mistakes. If I have to, I will fight for you. Give me a break. You know that I will fight for you. Give me a break. You know that I will fight for you.
Ooh, we're just about up to operating temperature. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yeah, we're going to take you another place on Earth now. Well, actually, it's more like under the Earth. Technically, we're going deep sea now. And it's actually one of my favorite songs to play because it's just so dancey and so much fun. It's called The Current, and it's all about sharks. How sharks find friends and food. They have like they're not electronic sensors, but they sense stuff with current. So it's a bit of a double title. It's about the electric currents and also the currents of the water. So yeah, The Current. I'm just like trying to talk long enough for Leo to finish tuning. So if I run out of shark facts,
I think we're good. Don't forget you have to manually tickle the mellotron into the correct sound for this one. Thank you so much. We hope you're all enjoying the show so far. It's kind of hard to tell from where we're standing in the past. But yeah, hopefully you are. We do have some merchandise probably, which you can avail yourself of from the gift shop. Yeah. So yeah, as Anna said, the song's called The Current. It's on our new album, which is called Cosmic Disco. It's
little technical hoo-ha. We might have to press start and stop because the mellotron is just not behaving. I'm very sorry. See, not everything goes right when you record stuff, so there you go. Thank you.
Has it done it now?
I'm going to say yeah. I'm going to go ahead and say yes.
These are all the gizmos that we used to record the album.
Mellotron.
Yeah, we thought we'd bring them along for you tonight.
Moog.
Yeah, here we go. Current flowing through me, I feel an energy. The current flowing through me, I feel an energy. Do you feel the spark between us? Some say it's electricity, a charge that must be conducted. I am drawn to you as you are drawn to me. Got you in my sights now, blotted out our cause. Nothing on this earth can keep us apart. We are drawn together by an invisible force. The current flowing through me, I feel an energy. The current flowing through me, I feel an energy. Do you feel a magnetic connection? The push and pull of violent chemistry. We each have our expectations. I will believe in you if you believe in me. Watching for a while now, I like what I see, of course. Nothing on this earth can keep us apart. We are drawn together by an invisible force. The current flowing through me, I feel an energy.
Whoop, whoop. He's just looking at me. Thank you so much. Oh, that was fun.
Well.
Well. Where in the animal kingdom are we going to go next, Leo? No? Quick guitar change.
Shall we take a trip down to the hive, the bustling hive of activity?
The bustling hive of bees. Yeah, we're going to go to the beehive now next. Local beehives are available. Bees are really mighty fascinating creatures, so of course we had to write a song about them. And saying that, I can, on top of my head, not think of a very interesting bee fact, unfortunately. However...
I know a good story about bees.
Oh, I was just going to come up with a manatee fact.
Okay, go on then.
They have smooth brains. Oh my gee.
That is one of my all-time favourite facts.
Same. Wombats have square poop. You know, you live and you learn. Not just are we entertain you, we're also educating you a little bit.
So there was a mystery, an enduring mystery that happened, I believe, in your native country of Germany. Anna,
Oh, yes.
where some bees started making fluorescent luminous honey in a variety of colours. Do you remember this one?
Yeah, I remember that one now.
And yeah, they were making like bright blue honey, bright green honey. And they eventually worked out that it was because they were going to the local factory that was making, I think it was Skittles. And they were getting the runoff of all the E-numbers and food colouring that they use.
Oops.
And putting it in their honey. So yeah, there we go. But yeah, this song is inspired by bees. And it's about the special day of the year when all the male bees
Get very excited and take flight after the queen bee.
Hoping to mate with the queen, yeah.
Oh, song title. It's called The Day I Was Born. What happened, Leo? Oh, Leo. See, we're completely live and fully not foolproof. And I have a very echoey voice. Whoop, whoop. The Day I Was Born, take 2.
Down on to drone on and on and on and on. Let it be me, I need to be near you. Hold on as long as I can to good times now gone. Seeds on new life begun. Keep me in your memory, never forget me. Let it be me, give me a chance. Let me show you how I feel, watch me dance. Shaking all over, out of control. I am yours, body and soul. Ever since the day I was born, I knew my life would end this way. If I have to die, let it be by your side, although I know you must remain. Remember me, I will remember you too. The parts we played, everything that we went through. I will always remember you. And all the good times, bad times, made me feel a long time. I've waited my whole life to stand in this line, sweet as nectar. I'm down on my knees. Let it be me, give me a chance. Let me show you how I feel, watch me dance. Shaking all over, out of control. I am yours, body and soul.
Oh yeah, those bees. Well, we're actually coming to our two penultimate songs. They're very, very new. Oh, I keep talking when it's still going boop, boop, boop. That's like really funny reverb in my ears. So yeah, our penultimate two songs. They're really, really new. So yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking. The first one is about anglerfish. I'm very, very fond of anglerfish. I think they're just really hardcore. To tell you a little tale of the anglerfish, the lady anglerfish swims around, and the male is actually born with no stomach at all. So as soon as he gets born, he's pretty hungry. He has to find a lady fish, latch onto her, and then he just gets absorbed till there's nothing left from him other than his reproductive organs. And
That sounds pretty romantic.
she just helps herself whenever she needs to, and she can accumulate up to seven men that way.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty cool.
All that's left of them is little scrotums hanging on.
I was not going to say anything like this, but yeah.
That's the way I picture it.
So everybody just imagine being, reduced to just genitalia. Anyway, this song is called Bound to Happen. And then we're going to get into slightly nicer and more...
It's another undersea one, isn't it? We'll introduce that one when we come to it, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. So yeah, this is called Bound to Happen. I'm just having a little moment of calm, because we always find whatever song we play after that one about bees feels really slow, because the one about bees is pretty quick.
It's probably our closest to punk rock sort of tempo song, and I'm sweating. Sorry, you didn't want to know that, but now you do. Anyway, Bound to Happen. Is it all good? Is it all good?
I'm still just,
Still just
getting myself ready.
It's okay, guys. Take a moment of calm as well, while Leo's calming himself down from all the excitement of the bee, the buzzing.
Here we go. Right, I think I'm ready now. Let's have it.
Do you want to be the finest specimen in my collection?
Deprived of affection, you are my salvation. Right from the start, born hungry in a cold, cold world. Your life found me floundering around in the dark in a world so far apart. Time is ticking away, the way I last another day. Pleading for your protection, intention never questioned. From the start, born hungry in a cold, cold world. Your light found me. Take all you need.
You are part of me, and your blood flows hope we didn't scare anyone off with the scrotum story. If not, this is our last song. Thank you, Seth and Anna, for the wonderful performance. Thank you, Northern Quarter, for having us. Please keep supporting your lovely local music venue, e.g. Northern Quarter.
Let's have a hand for the bar staff.
Insert name here.
There we go.
Because we can't see into the future. Let's have a hand for...
Not had a look at the rota yet.
No. So yeah, thank you so much for having us.
So yeah, we're going to leave you with a new song. This one's about the immortal jellyfish, which is an interesting creature because it was discovered by a marine biologist who collected the adult form of a jellyfish. Does anyone know the name of an adult form of a jellyfish? Because they have several stages of their life cycle.
1, 2, 3, go.
That man over there's got
that
it.
Lady,
You're right.
Yeah,
It's
that child, that dog, that hippo.
It's a Medusa, just like the fictional legendary creature with a snake.
So of
for
course,
hair.
the song is called
so
Medusa.
anyway, this marine biologist got some Medusas of this species, and he left them overnight in a tank. And in the morning, they had reverted back to an earlier stage in their life cycle. So they are kind of technically immortal. They can live forever if they don't get eaten by sharks.
Which they won't. Anyway, we have been Birds and Beasts. If you fancy following us on to see where we're up to next, it's www.birdsandbeasts.net. Thank you so much.
This is called Medusa. Enjoy. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you and good
That's
night,
the
Northern
end.
Quarter. We heart you, all of you, every single one of you.